Hi, everyone, you are all welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing simple and easy method of making flapjacks at home. So sit back, relax and enjoy as we embark upon this intriguing journey. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about making flapjacks at home, from their history and essential ingredients to variations, nutritional information, and step-by-step instructions for preparation. It's a versatile and delicious treat that can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or as a sweet indulgence any time of day. Here we go. Introduction to flapjacks. Flapjacks are a beloved breakfast or snack food enjoyed by people around the world. These delicious treats are simple to make and can be customized with various ingredients to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about making flapjacks at home, from their origins to the best recipes and techniques. The history of flapjacks. The history of flapjacks can be traced back centuries, with variations of this popular dish appearing in cultures across the globe. In the United Kingdom, flapjacks are a traditional oat-based treat made with oats, butter, sugar, and golden syrup. They are often enjoyed as a snack or dessert and are a staple in British households. In the United States, flapjacks refer to thick pancakes made with batter consisting of flour, milk, eggs, and baking powder. These fluffy pancakes are typically served with butter and maple syrup and are a favorite breakfast option for many Americans. Essential ingredients for flapjacks. While there are many variations of flapjack recipes, the essential ingredients typically include 1. Oats. Rolled oats are the primary ingredient in flapjacks, providing texture and a nutty flavor. 2. Butter. Unsalted butter adds richness and moisture to the flapjacks, helping to bind the ingredients together. 3. Sugar. Granulated sugar or brown sugar adds sweetness to the flapjacks, balancing the flavors of the other ingredients. 4. Golden syrup. Golden syrup is a thick, amber-colored syrup made from sugar cane. 4. It adds sweetness and moisture to the flapjacks, as well as a distinctive flavor. 5. Optional ingredients. Flapjacks can be customized with additional ingredients such as dried fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, or spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Variations of flapjacks. There are countless variations of flapjacks, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Some popular variations include 1. Fruit and nut flapjacks, adding dried fruit such as raisins, cranberries, or apricots, as well as chopped nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pecans, adds texture and flavor to the flapjacks. 2. Chocolate chip flapjacks. Folding chocolate chips into the flapjack batter creates a decadent treat that is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. 3. Peanut butter flapjacks. Swirling creamy or crunchy peanut butter into the flapjack batter adds a rich, nutty flavor and extra protein. 4. Coconut flapjacks. Mixing shredded coconut into the flapjack batter adds a tropical twist and a chewy texture to the finished flapjacks. 5. Spiced flapjacks. Adding warm spices like cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom to the flapjack batter creates a cozy, comforting flavor profile that is perfect for fall or winter. Nutritional information. Flapjacks can be a nutritious and satisfying snack when made with wholesome ingredients like oats, nuts, and dried fruit. They are a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them a filling and energizing option for breakfast or as a midday pick-me-up. However, flapjacks can also be high in calories, sugar, and saturated fat, especially when made with large amounts of butter, sugar, and syrup. To keep flapjacks on the healthier side, consider using less sugar, opting for unsweetened dried fruit and nuts, and using a moderate amount of butter or a healthier alternative like coconut oil. Step-by-step instructions for making flapjacks. Now, let's walk through the process of making classic oat flapjacks. Step 1. Preheat the oven. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking dish or tray with parchment paper or greased foil. Step 2. Prepare the flapjack mixture. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine rolled oats, melted butter, sugar, and golden syrup. 1. Stir until all the ingredients are well combined and the oats are evenly coated. Step 3. Add optional ingredients. 1. If desired, fold in any additional ingredients such as dried fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, or spices until evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Step 4. Press the mixture into the pan. 1. Transfer the flapjack mixture to the prepared baking dish or tray and use a spatula or the back of a spoon to press it down firmly and evenly. Step 5. Bake the flapjacks. 1. Place the baking dish or tray in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the flapjacks are golden brown and firm to the touch. Step 6. Cool and cut. 1. Allow the flapjacks to cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then use a sharp knife to cut them into squares or rectangles while still warm. 1. Allow them to cool completely before serving. Tips and tricks for making perfect flapjacks. 1. Use high-quality rolled oats for the best texture and flavor. 2. For extra richness, substitute part of the butter with peanut butter or almond butter. 3. Experiment with different sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar for unique flavor variations. 4. To make vegan flapjacks, use dairy-free butter or coconut oil and substitute maple syrup for the golden syrup. 5. Store flapjacks in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or freeze them for longer storage. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Conclusion. In essence, making flapjacks at home is a simple and rewarding endeavor that allows you to customize this classic treat to suit your taste preferences. Whether you prefer traditional oat flapjacks or enjoy experimenting with different flavors and ingredients, there's no wrong way to make flapjacks. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to enjoy the delicious aroma and irresistible taste of homemade flapjacks. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.